Welcome to TechSimplified. In today's tutorial, we're going to break down the fundamentals of C# that every developer must know: program structure, variables, data types, memory management, and more. Whether you're a beginner or brushing up for interviews, this is the perfect place to start. Creating your first Hello World application in C#. Getting started with C# is exciting. Let's walk through the process of creating a brand new Hello World application. Step 1. Install Visual Studio. Installing Visual Studio is simple. Visit the official Microsoft website, link provided in the description, and follow the installation steps. Step 2. Create a new project. Once the installation is complete, open Visual Studio. You'll see a screen with various application templates. Use the search bar to find Console Application and select it. Click Create New Project and enter the necessary details. Once your project is set up, you're ready to write and run your first C# program. Here's a simple Hello World program in C#. Using system imports the system namespace, which includes the console class. Class program defines a class named program. Static void main, the entry point of the program. Execution starts here. Console.writeLine Hello World prints the message to the console. Console.writeLine Hello World prints the message to the console. In C#, variables are used to store data. Because C# is a strongly typed language, every variable must be declared with a specific type. Variables should have meaningful names and use camel case as per C# naming conventions. Variable naming rules. Start with a letter or underscore. No keywords like int, class. Case sensitive. String name is equal to Smith. Int age is equal to 25. C# data types are divided into two main categories: value types and reference types. A value type variable directly contains its data. Each variable has its own copy, while a reference type variable holds a pointer, reference, to the actual data on the heap. For example, int and bool are value types stored by value, whereas string and class instances are reference types stored by reference. In general, value types are stored on the stack or inline and reference types on the heap. Value types include all numeric types: byte, byte, short, a short, int, uint, long, ulong, float, double, decimal, bool, char, and user-defined struct or enum types. Reference types include string, any class type, interface types, array types, delegate types, and the special dynamic type. C# also has pointer types in unsafe code, but those are rarely used in ordinary programs. Value types cannot be null by default, they always have a value, whereas reference types can be null, meaning no object. Since all types ultimately derive from object, any value type can be boxed into an object and later unboxed. In fact, C#'s type system is unified. Every type, value, or reference ultimately inherits from object. Value types example. Value types hold data directly and are stored on the stack. These include types like int, double, bool, char, and even structs. They are lightweight and don't require garbage collection. Reference types store a reference to the actual data, which is located on the heap. Types like string, arrays, classes, interfaces, and delegates are all reference types. When you assign one reference variable to another, you're copying the reference, not the actual data. Type conversion. You can convert between compatible data types using implicit or explicit conversions. Implicit conversion example. Int num is equal to 100. Double big num is equal to num. Explicit conversion. Use casting or the convert class to ensure safe and accurate conversions. Boxing is the process of converting a value type like int, bool, double, etc. into a reference type, specifically an object or any interface it implements. This happens implicitly in C#. Int num is equal to 123. Object obj is equal to num. Int x is equal to int obj. This is called boxing. Here, the int value 123 is wrapped inside a system.object, and the reference to the new object is assigned to obj. Behind the scenes, a new object is created on the heap. The value 123 is copied into that object. The reference to the object is returned. Unboxing is the explicit conversion of an object reference type back to a value type. This must be done using a cast. C# stores value types in the stack and reference types in the heap. Stack. Memory is allocated and deallocated in a last-in first-out manner. Stores method calls and value types. Very fast access. Memory is automatically reclaimed when the method returns. Heap. Used for dynamic memory allocation. Stores objects and reference type data. Slower access compared to stack. Managed by the garbage collector, which frees memory when no longer used. C# data types include value types, which store data directly, and reference types, which store pointers. Variables must be declared with a type, and C# handles many conversions automatically or via casts. Boxing turns value types into objects, and unboxing recovers them. Use these carefully because each boxing incurs overhead. Avoid common pitfalls like excessive boxing in loops and incorrect unboxing to write efficient, error-free C# code. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more C# deep dives.